Hey guys, welcome back. Good morning. Shall we continue with our next question? We are discussing case studies in strategic management. In that we are in 4th chapter, corporate strategies. We have completed first 4 questions. So in this lecture, we are going to look at question number 5. Organo is a large supermarket chain. Congratulations. It is considering purchase of number of farms. Hello, hold on. Who are you? I am a supermarket. I have so many branches. So I am a supermarket chain. Okay. It is considering purchase of number of farms. Agricultural lands. Oh my God. Why? Dekhenge that provides Organo with a significant amount of its fresh produce. Previously, tomato, cucumber, Kovaka, Pavaka, Morinka. All these things I used to buy from some, farmers. And I used to put it in my shop, sprinkle water on this. And we'll say, hey, vegetable A, we are selling vegetables. Now, because I have money, I'm thinking of acquiring farms and carrying on agricultural activities and get the produce myself. I will produce vegetables, fresh fruits. I will sell it in my supermarket. What is the strategy? You tell me. What is this? Vertical supply chain. At present, I am supermarket. I used to buy products from farmers, raw material or finished good. I buy from farmers, agricultural farmers, and I bring it to my supermarket and I used to sell. Now what am I thinking of? I am thinking of acquiring farms. This is what? Backward integration. Because you are not moving from your vertical supply chain, it is vertical integration. Because you are going one step backwards from selling these items in supermarket. So producing vegetable comes in step 1, selling it in supermarket comes in step 2. So you are in step 2, you are going backwards. Because you are going backwards, it is called backward vertical integration, diversification. Backward, vertical integration, diversification. Correct. Then Organo feels that by purchasing the farms, it will have greater control over its supply chain. Exactly, you will have a super duper control over supply chain. Correct. Identify and explain the type of diversification. The question is over, the answer is also over. Organo is a large supermarket chain. Oh my God, copy paste from the question. By opting backward integration and purchase number of farms, it will have greater control over its supply chain. Correct. Backward integration is a step towards creating effective supply by entering into businesses of input providers. Who am I? Supermarket. Who is my input provider? Input provider, agricultural farmer. Who's that guy? Supplier to me. If I am entering into the business of my supplier, obviously that is backward integration. Remember, if I am entering into the business of my supplier, that is backward integration. Repeat, if I am entering into the business of my supplier, that is backward integration. For example, I manufacture laptop, I buy processor from Intel is my supplier. If I start manufacturing processor, I am entering into the business of supplier, that is backward integration. Correct? You understand? Who am I? Automobile manufacturer, Toyota. I buy tire from Michelin tires, Dunlop tires, JK tires, CA tires, MRF tires. They are my suppliers. Now I started thinking of manufacturing tire. I am entering into the business of supplier, that is backward integration. Vertical integration. In that vertical integration, backward integration. So basically it is starting a new business. So it is a diversification step 1. Diversification step 1. What diversification? Vertical integration. What vertical integration? Backward vertical integration. Oh my God, this much of knowledge you should have to write answers. Strategy employed to expand profits and gain greater control over production of a product, whereby a company will purchase or build business that will increase its own supply capability or lessen its cost of production. Previously, 1 kg apple, I used to buy it 150 rupees. I used to sell it 180 rupees. Previously, in this question, I am speaking about this question. Previously, I was buying apple from you. You are farmer. I used to give 150 rupees to you. Or you are, some intermediary who deals with this wholesale vegetables, wholesale apple. So you buy in tons. You will give only 2 rupees to the farmer. That is a different story. But to me, you are the supplier. You sell it at 150 rupees. Now I am thinking of, if I buy a farm, if I do the agricultural activity, if I grow apple, maybe my cost of production will not even be 100 rupees. That is what it is. So question number 5 is about what? It is about backward integration. Go to question number 6. Swift Insurance. Oh my God. Is a company engaged in the business of providing medical insurance. Who are they? You are providing medical insurance. Very good. You are providing medical insurance. Very good. Maintaining a market share of 25 to 30% in the last 5 years. Super. That means you are market leader. 25% market share in insurance means you are a top. Where a level guy. Big guy. For the last 5 years, you have 25 to 30% market share. Recently, the company decided to enter into business of auto insurance. Auto insurance is for auto? No, for all automobiles. Insurance is auto insurance. That means for two-wheelers, cars, auto insurance. Okay. By having a foreign collaboration, super. You are joining hands with a foreign collaborator and you are starting this new business. What is new business? Auto insurance. Identify the strategy being followed by Swift Insurance with its advantages. Close your eyes. What is this? What is this? Pavan sir, is it diversification? Obviously yes. Pavan sir, is it expansion? Obviously yes. Pavan sir, am I going to start a new business? Obviously yes. Pavan sir, is it related diversification? Obviously yes. Pavan sir, is it vertical integration? No, because you are not in the same supply chain. You are moving somewhere. You are starting a parallel business. It can be horizontally related. It can be horizontally related. Because till now you are in medical insurance, you are starting automobile insurance. Some chintus will ask, Sare, oh Sare, when this medical insurance company is starting auto insurance, it is not a product development, Sare. You have 12 types of medical insurance policies. Imagine you have 12 types of medical insurance policies. You are introducing 13th type of insurance policy, 13th type of medical insurance policy, then it is product development. So, correct, sir. Pavan sir, you are only correct, sir. I am a rubber brain, sir. We'll read the answer, sir. So, what is the situation? There is an insurance company which is into medical insurance now. With foreign collaboration, they want to start vehicle insurance now, auto insurance. What are the advantages? See, simple. You have marketing ability. How to sell insurance policy, you know already. You have so many insurance agents. Till yesterday, your insurance agents are selling Mediclaim. From today onwards, they will sell both the claims. Mediclaim they'll sell and vehicle insurance also they'll sell. So you have technology, that means know-how, you understand the business, and you are not doing any unrelated conglomerate business. And the best thing here is, because you are having 25 to 30% market share over 5 years, you are the market leader, and the best thing what you are going to do now is you are exploiting your brand value, till yesterday you used to buy Britannia biscuits, Britannia, big name. Today you are, not today, 10 years back, 15 years back, shopkeeper said, sir, you want to try new biscuits, sir? You said, no, I will not try. I want a Britannia biscuit only. Britannia, ting, 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 wo chahiye mujhe, de do. Then shopkeeper said, sir, the new product is from ITC, sir. And you're like, oh, ITC is a big brand, reputed brand, 125 years of quality. So this product will not be some Tom, Dick and Harry roadside product. This product will have some, fundamental strength. Then you will say, okay, I will try. If I like, from next time onwards, I will buy this. Okay, give one biscuit packet. What? See, you are not ready to move from Britannia to some other biscuit packet till ITC brand came onto the picture. When ITC brand came onto the picture, you're like, okay, convinced. You understand? You were not ready to move out of Airtel when other players are there. But Jio came, the moment Jio came, you jumped. Why? Because you know that Reliance is a big brand. You know that they'll give slashingly less prices. You know that they are doing market penetration. So you jumped. So brand, while expanding the business, brand plays a very big role. Okay. Look here, overall, Swift Insurance is following growth or expansion strategy, obviously, because they are expanding their present business scope. Therefore, it is expansion. The step will also substantially increase investment in the business. Obviously, a lot of investment is required. The new business is related, at the same time caters to different segment of customers and accordingly can be termed as related diversification. Ta-da! The new business falls within the scope of general insurance. It is general insurance only. See, insurance is of two types: life insurance, general insurance. In general insurance, mediclaim is one, auto insurance is another one. So you are under the same umbrella. Which umbrella? General insurance. And horizontally tie. Here mediclaim, here auto insurance, horizontally related to the existing business. In the process of expansion, the company will be able to exploit its brand name, marketing skill, existing sales and distribution infrastructure, research and development, economies of scale. These are your advantages. That's all. Understand? That's all. So shall we go to next question?